Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup, and I am going to create another fall look. It is a blessing to be here with you today. Take your palettes out, let's have some fun, let's de-stress, let's get a little bit of peace, let's get a little bit of happiness and some joy while playing with our makeup. Let's just create anything that come to mind, and if you want you can tag me with your pictures on Instagram. My Instagram is simplyu53. Show me what you create, it would be fun to see. And now I'm going to start. I am using the JUVIA'S Nubian 3 palette. Today I'm using a dark base. I'm just using a big fluffy brush and I'm putting this color all over. You can call it your transition color. First color, transition color, all over the eyes color. My first color was a matte, and I'm gonna add some shimmer. I love shimmers, I love sparkly, I love bright. So now it's shimmer time. Ooh, this is pretty. JUVIA'S place, I always have. This is pretty. I don't know where I'm going with this, but now my third color, also a shimmer. I'm going back into my second color with a brush. I'm just fixing it, smoothing it out. I'm doing the same thing for the third color. Going back in with my first color. I'm going into a fourth color to darken the outer corner a little bit more. And then I'll take it above the crease. Using JUVIA'S Place Foundation, already put it all over my face. Now I'm just patting it in. I am back with the complete look, my fall look, autumn look. I used the JUVIA'S Place Nubian 3 Coral. This is what the palette looks like. I use 4 colors in there. This color right here, I put all over my eyes, which is, you can call it the transition color. This one right here, I put in the inner corner halfway on my eyes. This color right here, I put in the outer corner and come in to meet the second color. It's here, all the way here. Then I took this color right there and I put it in the outer corner right here, and then took it a little bit above right here, and then just blend everything so it can come out seamless. These are the swatches of the colors that I use on my eyes today. The word for today is past. Past. P-A-S-T. That 4-letter word keeps us bound. I'm talking to me, and if it does happen to you, then it's for all of us. Past. Our past keep us bound. Our past need to be addressed. Bring up to the surface. Address it one by one. Let it go and surrender it. Because if not, it will prevent us from having a joyous life. Life is short. Let us address our past. Let us take this past and let this past help us to get ahead in life. Past. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video, and I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. If you did a look and follow along and create something that you love, tag me on Instagram at simplyu53.